Hey, Kathleen here. I just want to show you these water hyacinth baskets. It comes in a 3-pack. The color of walnut with some black and light browns and darker browns, so they're actually really versatile. And this is the 10-inch, 12-inch long, 14-inch long. A little bit different heights as you go up in size, and obviously different widths, but you can look at those dimensions in the description. And I find them to be really useful. They're quite deep enough for what I needed. And I do store something in here. I do store things in here too, but I wanted to show you this. So up on my towel rack, I could store that there with things in it. Okay, this will not, the large one will not fit on the back of the toilet. This one, however, the medium one, does fit on the back of the toilet. And I do put, you can put toilet paper in there, tissues, whatever you want, but that's what I put in there. And then this one I store up here. And then I also have up here, and then I put a folded towel here. This large one was, I don't know, a little bit too large here for the bathroom of what I needed, although it could easily, you know, if you have well, I mean, it would even fit here. It could do some great work in here, but I have it downstairs with Legos in it for my granddaughter near her little Lego table. We find these to be very versatile. Really, really love them.